How to contribute reviews and photos on Google Maps. Hi everyone, welcome to the video, and today we'll learn how to contribute reviews and photos on Google Maps. Now if you want to contribute on Google Maps but you don't know how to do it, I'm here to help. Just follow the simple steps and you'll be good to go. First, open the Google Maps application from your phone. When you do that, notice at the bottom there are three options: Explore, View, and Contribute. If you want to contribute, tap on the Contribute button and it will take you to this interface. In here, you'll see different options like Add Place, Update Place, Add Review, Add Photo, Update Road, and Update Address. If you want to add review, just tap on Add Review option. And from here you can see your nearby places. If you drag this, you can simply tap on this and leave a review there, or you can search for place and then give your review. And when you do that, at the bottom you'll see add photos and videos. When you tap on that, from here you can add your photos available or your videos. So that's all for the video, guys. If you guys have any further questions, please drop them into the comments. I'll meet you in next video. Thank you and bye bye.